Ever wondered why some websites rank higher on Google than others? The secret lies in understanding keyword intent. Keyword intent is the reason behind a user's search query. It's what drives them to type specific terms into a search engine. For instance, buy chia seeds indicates a desire to purchase, while what are chia seeds shows a quest for information. Recognizing keyword intent is crucial for SEO success. It helps you align your content with what users are truly looking for. Google aims to provide the best answers to users' queries, so it prioritizes pages that match the search intent. Take buy chia seeds. The results feature product pages because Google knows users want to make a purchase. Conversely, what are chia seeds yields educational articles, reflecting an informational intent. There are 4 main types of keyword intent: navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. Navigational keywords help users find a specific website or page, like Facebook login or Amazon shipping policy. Informational keywords cater to users seeking knowledge, often starting with what is, how to, or why is. Commercial keywords are used by those researching products or services before making a purchase, like best running shoes. Transactional keywords indicate readiness to buy, such as buy Audi TT or Italian restaurants near me. Some keywords can have mixed intent, like make coffee at home, which is both informational and commercial. To identify keyword intent, manually review search results to see what types of content are ranking. Pay attention to the format, length, topics, and structure of top-ranking pages to understand what users prefer. Use tools like Keyword Overview to quickly determine a keyword's main intent type without manual searches. For example, Nordstrom shipping policy is both navigational and transactional, guiding users to a specific page and purchase. The Keyword Magic tool helps you find related keywords with specific intent types, aiding in targeted content creation. Filter keywords by intent to discover terms with high buyer intent, focusing on those that are easier to rank for. Aligning your content with keyword intent boosts your chances of ranking higher and attracting the right audience. Unlock the power of keyword intent and elevate your digital strategy with precision and purpose.